Hey, what's up guys? I'm Benji, and today I'm going to be making a homemade mouse trap. The actual name for this is a figure 4 deadfall trap. It can be used for mice, rabbits, small rodents, anything big enough that can get under your rock and smash it. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to show you how. For this trap, we're going to need 3 sticks and a large rock. I'm going to look around and I'll show you exactly what I need. All right, here we go. Probably don't need all these, but I'm going to grab them. And they're about finger thickness. All right, we got our sticks. Now we need a large rock, a large flat rock. Let's find one. All right, here's a good size rock for a mouse. If you want bigger, you can get bigger. And if you want to catch like squirrels or rabbits or something, but we're just making one for a mouse today, so this will do. All right, I got a couple sticks here. You're gonna need 2 shorter sticks and 1 long stick to be your bait stick. All right, Jake's here. He's gonna be our helper today. We got our sticks. We're gonna carve these up. I'll show you a picture in the video here, and I'll leave it here for a second so you can see exactly what we're gonna do. All right, here we have it. We got our, not with your hand, we have our sticks all set up and our rock on top, and it's balancing very carefully. Now Jacob's gonna be our mouse to demonstrate. You put your bait right here on the end of the stick. All right, Jake, get the bait with your stick. No, not your hand. Get it. Oh! And it's squished. You have rat stew. Or mouse stew.
It actually squished the stick. Look, it actually squished the stick.
Alright, here's our 3 sticks here. This one side is completely flat, then this side right here is completely flat. You want a thick piece for your bottom piece, about like this size, so that you can carve in there really good. If it's too thin, it'll spin with the weight of the rock on there. The bait stick, when it's pulling on here, will spin the bottom stick if it's too thin. So you just got to get the right size. Takes some getting used to. All right, Jake, how could we use this trap in the real world? How could we use this if we were out hiking somewhere?
For food.
Yeah, we could use it for food. If we were on the Appalachian Trail and there were mice in our shelter that kept trying to get into our backpack, we can make one of these really quick. They take about 5 or 10 minutes to make, and squish that mouse and keep it out of your backpack. Right, Jake?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, y'all, that was the figure 4 deadfall trap. Super easy to make, takes about 5 or 10 minutes. You need a knife or something sharp to be able to cut into those sticks, and just takes a little bit of messing around to get a feel for it. Super easy to make if you have that pesky mouse in your shelter that you just want to get rid of, or you're stranded somewhere and you need to be able to catch something to eat. This trap can do it all. Super easy to make, just need a big rock to be able to smush stuff. Follow me for more.